Hello students, in Mathematics Part 2, let us study Chapter 7, Coordinate Geometry. Line parallel to the x-axis. On a graph paper, let us plot the following points: A 5, 4, B 2 and 4, C minus 2 and 4, D minus 4 and 4, E 0 and 4, and the coordinates of F are 3 and 4. We will first draw the coordinate axis, that is x-axis and the y-axis, and we will plot the points on the graph. We notice that a line passes along the y-axis through 4. From the graph we observe that the y-coordinates of all the points on line DA are equal and the points are collinear. The y-coordinate of every point on line DA is 4. Therefore, the equation of the line parallel to the x-axis at a distance of 4 units from the x-axis is y is equal to 4. If the coordinates of the point is positive, that is if b is greater than 0, we draw the line y is equal to b through the point 0, b. It will be above the x-axis since it is positive and parallel to it. If b is negative, that is b is less than 0, then the line y is equal to b will be below the x-axis and parallel to it. In general, the equation of a line parallel to the x-axis is in the form y is equal to b. Let us now study the line parallel to the y-axis. On a graph paper, let us plot the following points: P minus 4, 3, Q minus 4, 0, R minus 4, 1, point S whose coordinates are minus 4, minus 2, T minus 4, 2, and U minus 4, minus 2. We will first draw the coordinate axis, that is the x-axis and the y-axis, taking a suitable scale of 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. We will now plot the points as shown. From the graph we observe that the x-coordinates of all the points on line PS are equal and the points are collinear. The x-coordinate of every point on line PS is minus 4. Therefore, the equation of the line parallel to the y-axis at a distance of 4 units to the left of the y-axis is x is equal to minus 4. If we draw the line x is equal to a parallel to the y-axis passing through the point a, 0, and if a is greater than 0, then the line will be to the right of the y-axis. If a is less than 0, that is a is negative, then the line will be to the left of the y-axis. The equation of a line parallel to the y-axis is in the form x is equal to a. Points to remember: the y-coordinate of every point on the x-axis is 0. Conversely, every point whose y-coordinate is 0 is on the x-axis. Therefore, the equation of the x-axis is y is equal to 0. And if the x-coordinate of every point on the y-axis is 0, conversely, every point whose x-coordinate is 0 is on the y-axis. Therefore, the equation of the y-axis is x is equal to 0. Let us solve practice set 7.2. Question 2. Write the equation of the line parallel to the y-axis at a distance of 7 units from it to its left, that is to the left of the y-axis. Solution: the equation of a line parallel to the y-axis is x is equal to a. Since the line is at a distance of 7 units to the left of the y-axis, therefore a is equal to minus 7, that is a is negative. Therefore x is equal to minus 7 is the equation of the required line. Question 3. Write the equation of the line parallel to the x-axis at a distance of 5 units from it and below the x-axis. Solution: the equation of a line parallel to the x-axis is y is equal to b. Since the line is at a distance of 5 units below the x-axis, Therefore, b is negative. Therefore, b is equal to minus 5. And therefore, y is equal to minus 5 is the equation of the required line. Let us solve question 4. The point Q, whose coordinates are minus 3 and minus 2, lies on a line parallel to the y-axis. Write the equation of the line and draw its graph. Solution: the equation of a line parallel to the y-axis is x is equal to a. Here the x coordinate is minus 3, therefore a is equal to minus 3. Therefore x is equal to minus 3 is the equation of the required line. Let us now draw the graph. We will first draw the coordinate axis, that is the x-axis, and the y-axis, taking a suitable scale of 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit on both the axes. We will now plot the point, that is Q, whose x coordinate is minus 3 and y coordinate is minus 2. The line passes through the point x is equal to minus 3. Therefore, the equation of the line is x is equal to minus 3. Let us solve question 5. Y-axis and the line x is equal to minus 4 are parallel lines. What is the distance between them? Solution: equation of the y-axis is x is equal to 0. Equation of the line parallel to the y-axis is x is equal to minus 4, which is given. Therefore, the distance between the y-axis and the line x is equal to minus 4 is 0 minus of minus 4, since 0 is greater than minus 4. This is equal to 0 plus 4, which is equal to 4 units. Therefore, the distance between the y-axis and the line x is equal to minus 4 is 4 units. Question 6. Which of the equations given below have graphs parallel to the x-axis and which ones have graphs parallel to the y-axis? Subdivision 1, x is equal to 3. Solution: the equation of the line parallel to the y-axis is x is equal to a. Therefore, the line x is equal to 3 is parallel to the y-axis. Subdivision 2, y minus 2 is equal to 0. Solution: y is equal to 2. Therefore, the equation of a line parallel to the x-axis is y is equal to b. Therefore, the line y minus 2 equal to 0 is parallel to the x-axis. In subdivision 3, x plus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 6. The equation of a line parallel to the y-axis is x is equal to a. Therefore, the line x plus 6 is equal to 0 is parallel to the y-axis. Question 7. On a graph paper, plot the points A, whose coordinates are 2 and 3, B, coordinates are 6 and minus 1, and C, whose coordinates are 0 and 5. If these points are collinear, then draw the line which includes them. Write the coordinates of the points at which the line intersects the x-axis and the y-axis. Solution: let us first draw the graph. We will draw the coordinate axis, that is the x-axis and the y-axis, taking a scale of 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit on both the axes. We will plot the points which is given. Point A, whose x coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is 3. Point B, whose x coordinate is 6 and y coordinate is minus 1. And C, whose x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is 5. Let us join these points with a line. We notice that all the 3 points are collinear because they lie on the same line. Also, from the graph, we observe that the line drawn intersects the x-axis at the point D50 and it intersects the y-axis at the point C05. Question 8. Draw the graphs of the following equations on the same system of coordinates. Write the coordinates of the points of intersection. The equations given are x plus 4 is equal to 0, y minus 1 is equal to 0, 2x plus 3 is equal to 0, and 3y minus 15 is equal to 0. On solving, we get x is equal to minus 4, y is equal to 1, 2x is equal to minus 3, that is x is equal to minus 3 upon 5, and therefore x is equal to minus 1.5. And 3y minus 15 is equal to 0. Therefore 3y is equal to 15, and therefore y is equal to 15 upon 3. Therefore y is equal to 5. On the graph, we will plot the coordinate axis, that is the x-axis and the y-axis, taking a suitable scale of 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit on both the axes. We will plot the points A minus 4 and 1 and B minus 1.5 and 1. C is minus 1.5 and 5 and D is minus 4 and 5. After joining all the points, we will extend the lines to pass through the y-axis and x-axis, and we will write the equations of the lines. The line passing through minus 4 is x plus 4 is equal to 0. The line passing through y is equal to 1 is y minus 1 is equal to 0. The line passing through y is equal to 5 is 3y minus 15 is equal to 0. The line passing through x is equal to minus 1.5 is 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. The coordinates of the point of intersection of x plus 4 is equal to 0 and y minus 1 is equal to 0 are a minus 4 and 1. The coordinates of the point of intersection of y minus 1 is equal to 0 and 2x plus 3 is equal to 0 are b minus 1.5 and 1. The coordinates of the point of intersection of 3y minus 15 is equal to 0 and 2x plus 3 is equal to 0 are c minus 1, 5. And the coordinates of the point of intersection of x plus 4 is equal to 0 and 3y minus 15 is equal to 0 is d minus 4, 5. Question 9. Draw the graphs of the equations given below. Subdivision 1, x plus y is equal to 2. Solution. Since x plus y is equal to 2, therefore y is equal to 2 minus x. Now using suitable values, if x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 2 minus x, that is equal to 2 minus 0, and that is equal to 2. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2 minus x, that is equal to 2 minus 1, therefore y is equal to 1. And when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2 minus x, and therefore y is equal to 0. We will write the coordinates of x and y in a table. Therefore, if x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2, and the coordinates of x comma y is 0 comma 2. If x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, and therefore the coordinates are 1 comma 1. And if x is equal to 2, y is equal to 0, therefore the coordinates are 2 comma 0. On the graph paper, we will draw the coordinate axis, that is x and y axis, taking a suitable scale of 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit on both the axes. We will now plot the points as given in the table. The point 0, 2, 1, 1 and 2, 0. We will now join the points together and write the equation of the line, that is x plus y is equal to 2. From the graph, we observe that the line x plus y is equal to 2 intersects the x-axis in the point 2, 0, and it also intersects the y-axis in the point 0, 2.